how the heck am I gonna floss every single day? I can't do this.
I think you're truly something special.
What's up, y'all? It's Shameless Sham, and I am back with another video, and I'm gonna be updating you all on my braces. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my braces vlog. I went ahead and I filmed my braces journey and me getting my braces, and I'm just gonna be updating you all on how it's been going for me and how it went when I first got my braces. So when I first got my braces, I wasn't in that much pain. The only thing that I experienced initially, like right after I got my braces on, was that I could not eat. Like, I tried to eat and it was just very, very uncomfortable. And I don't think that was necessarily because I was in pain, because I wasn't in pain right after I got my braces on. It was just uncomfortable. Like I said, I felt like a 2-year-old trying to learn how to chew again. I would say maybe 4 to 6 hours after I got my braces on, yeah, that's when the pain started to kick in, and I was like, I want these braces off. Like, I don't want these anymore. I don't want it. I don't want to do this anymore. What I did was I just popped some leaves and I was good to go. As far as eating though, like because I was in so much pain, I really couldn't eat all the stuff that I wanted to. It hurt really, really bad. I either had to cut my food up in little small pieces, and that kind of helped with the pain, or I just had to eat soup. And that's basically what I did for 2 to 3 weeks. Like, I just either like struggled through the pain and just ate my food anyways, or I just ate soup and I popped the leaves. But then after 3 weeks, I was good to go, and like the pain kind of went away. It really hurt right here. Like, these teeth right here hurt so bad, and I think that's because I have a lot of spacing down there. That was the struggle. Flossing. Oh my gosh, I took flossing for granted when I did not have braces. Like, I would floss 3 times a week, maybe 4, maybe 2 times a week, but I did not floss every single day. Oh my gosh, trying to manually floss with like normal regular floss was so freaking hard. And I was thinking to myself, how the heck am I gonna floss every single day? I can't do this. I can't. It's gonna take me 20 minutes just to floss my teeth. And I was just like, I'm not flossing. I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna floss. So what I did was I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and I got this water pick, and I got this for $30 after I used my little 20% off coupon. And what I basically did was I filled it up to this line with mouthwash and then the rest with hot water, and I just used this along my gum line, and I was working for about a week. But then I was like, my teeth just don't really feel that clean, so I'm gonna see if I can find like plackers to floss my teeth with. So I did some online research and I came across these right here, right? So the only place that sold them was Amazon and Walmart, and the Walmart that was near my house didn't have these in stock. Like, it was literally so hard to put my hands on these. And then I could have ordered them offline from walmart.com, but they were gonna be like $4 for 1 pack, and then I would have had to pay for shipping and handling too. And I was just like, that's a little bit too much. So basically what I did was I called the Walmart.com people, and I basically asked them, I was like, hey, can you check and see if there's any stores in my area that have these? And so she did find one store that had them in stock. So I went to that store and I got these for exactly $1.96, and I bought about 5 packs of these. And let me tell y'all, disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. Like, no one is paying me for this video. These right here will save your life if you have braces. Like, these are so freaking bomb. Like, whoever created these, bless you, because these are literally heaven sent. So basically the way that they work, if you look here, this is like the regular side, and then this is like the smaller side, and this side is smaller so that it can get underneath your arch wire. So basically all you do is your teeth like that. That's it. And it literally takes me less than 30 seconds to floss my teeth. Like, these are bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb. And I don't know what I would do if I did not find these. And let me tell y'all. So the first time that I flossed with these, after I was just using my water pick for about a week, I was disgusted by the stuff that I found in my teeth. Like, it was pretty disgusting. And then from that moment on, I said, you know what? I can't not floss. Even though my orthodontist said that it's okay for me to just use my water pick, I gotta floss. Like, I can't not floss. So I'm thankful that I found these, because if I didn't have these, I probably wouldn't be flossing. And all that little nasty gunk that I found in my teeth the first time that I had flossed after a week would still be all up in my teeth. So yeah, these are lifesaver right here. A lot of people say that wax was their best friend when they got their braces, but to be completely honest, I never really had any issues with my brackets cutting the inside of my lip. And I don't know if that's because I have the Damon braces versus the traditional ones, but my braces have never got caught on my lip or anything like that. They've never cut my lip. Nothing like that has ever happened. The only time that I had to use the wax was when my bracket broke off, and I'll tell you guys about that towards the end of the video. But my bracket broke off, and that happened on a Thursday or a Friday, and my office wasn't open during the weekend, so I had to wait until the next week to get the bracket placed back on. That was literally the only time that I used the wax, and I still have like 2 full containers of wax because I've never used it aside from that one time. So as far as being self-conscious about my braces, I don't really have that problem. If anything, I probably smile more or about the same that I did when I didn't have braces. I absolutely love my braces, to be completely honest. I never really seen them as something that took away from my appearance. So eating was very, very difficult the first 2 weeks, or first 2 to 3 weeks after I got my braces on. But then after 3 weeks, I was good to go. Like, I never really had any issues with eating. As far as what I eat and what I don't eat, I kind of eat the same stuff. I try to stay away from the crunchy foods, but if I do eat the crunchy foods, I'm very smart about it, and I only eat it on the inside of my teeth. Like, I don't chew it all on my brackets and chew it carelessly, you know what I mean? And I still chew gum. Like, there's been a couple times where I had a piece of gum in my purse and my breath was kind of stinking, so I popped the gum right on in my mouth. I will say that because I have the Damon braces, I think I have it a little bit easier with cleaning after eating because I don't have the rubber bands. So I don't have that extra barrier for food to get caught, if that makes sense. And what I've been doing is, like, if I get a meal, I'll go ahead and either just order water with my meal, or if I don't order water, like if I get a sweet tea, I'll get a cup of water too. And I'll gargle after I'm done eating and get everything out my teeth and spit it out, or either just swallow it. So that's been working for me. I don't walk around with the toothbrush or those little brushes to clean my braces, because I probably would forget to bring that every single time I left my house, and I don't have time for all that. A cup of water works perfectly fine for me. And I still eat sweets. Like, I love sugary foods. I love cookies. I love ice cream. I love anything that has sugar in it. And I'm just not gonna let that go. But I do drink my sugary drinks with a straw, and I make sure that it doesn't hit my teeth. As far as my cleaning routine, so basically what I do is I start off with these little plackers, and I get all the stuff out of my teeth, and then I follow up with my water pick, and I fill it up with that much mouthwash, and then I fill the rest up with warm water, and then take this along my gum line, top and bottom, and then I go on the inside and do the same thing. And I take my toothbrush, brush my teeth, and I do that twice a day, and I'm good to go. That's it. As far as movement, I don't think that my teeth have moved that much. The only movement that I see is down here. I feel like my teeth are kind of spaced out a lot more than they were before, but my orthodontist did say that your teeth get worse before they get better. And then these 2 teeth are closer together, and then these 2 are not close together. So, and then also this tooth has kind of moved back a little bit because it was kind of overlapping the other side. But that's really the only movement that I can see. And I've been taking pictures of my braces just so that I can kind of document the movement. So my brackets did break off twice, and it wasn't because I was eating stuff that I wasn't supposed to be eating. It's because my bite is very, very like tough and strong. So my top teeth in the back, my molar in the back, it knocked the bracket off right here. So I had to go back and get that placed on, and that happened 2 times. And what they did was they put it back on, but then they gave me these bite cushions. So if you look there, they're like these little like pillows that they put on my teeth to keep my bite from being so like strong. But as of now, y'all, I really don't have any problems with my braces. I absolutely love them. I mean, that first 2 weeks was pretty bad. Like, I was in so much pain, but I feel like my braces have become a part of me, and I've really grown to love them. But we'll see how that changes after my first wire change, and I'll let you guys know if I'm in a lot of pain after I get that first adjustment. So I'll let y'all go ahead and look at my braces, because I know that's what y'all want to see.